Hi, this is Maksud Ahmad Laskar. So I'm a faculty of pharmaceutical science at Sam Downtown University, going to present a practical experiment that is for the subject pharmacology and toxicology. So here the experiment title is bioassay of histamine using guinea pig ileum. So basically we will be performing the experiment in the software that is XFarm. So here is the experiment and this is our XFarm software. So we will click here in the virtual lab to start the experiment. Then we will see the instruction here. So before instruction we can see this is the student organ bath with various this organ chamber, and then that this is actually the chymograph that we've been placed in a rotary drum. Okay, so here is the area where we can select the dose concentration and we can inject it one after another. So in instruction we can see this bioassay where we can inject the drug by a double dose. Suppose if we start with a dose that is 0.1 mg, then second dose will be 0.2, then 0.4, like that the strength of the drug concentration will be doubled, and then we will continue injecting the double dose till there is a ceiling effect or equal in the response is achieved. So let us start the experiment. So here we will inject first 0.1 mg of drug, inject it. So there is a reading in the chymograph. This is the response height for 0.1 mg of drug histamine. Then we will double the dose, 0.2, we inject it, another response, 0.4, inject. So the response height is gradually start to increase, 0.8, it is increasing, 1.6, three point two, then 6.4, then 12.8, then to 5.6, then 56.2, inject. So here we can see this last two curve, that is 25.6 and 56.2. here the response height is similar, so this effect is known as the ceiling effect, where there is a constant or same height of response is achieved. So after this ceiling effect, if we increase the further doses of drug also, then also there will be a constant effect or constant response height it can be observed. So up to this we will do, and here the 100% response will be achieved by the drug. And this is the reason behind the not increase in the response height is as because there is no more free receptor that is present in the tissue or that organ we have taken for the experiment. So this is the thing we can do, and then we will calculate the different dose along with the response height, and then we can calculate the percent response of the various concentration. So this is how we can estimate the concentration of any drug in an animal organ or tissue for identifying its concentration response curve. That is, we can find a unknown concentration of the drug, or we can calculate the maximum response of a drug by using these kinds of experiment. That is dose response curve or your bioassay or CRC. So thank you. This is what I want to explain.